So the last step before we can actually run our craft bucket Minecraft server is to make sure that you can run Java from the command prompt. You see, the run command does just that. So if Java can't be run from the command prompt, then you'll get an error when you try to run craft bucket. So let's test this. Go to a command prompt. In Windows 8, type Windows key X, and then command prompt. In Windows 7, you can just search for CMD and pop it up. So in the command prompt, we can just type Java space dash version. That'll tell us the version number of the Java that we're running. Not that we really care about the version, but we just want to make sure that you can in fact run Java. And I do have Java, and I can run Java from the command prompt, so that's great. Now, if you try running Java, you may have an error similar to this. If I typed Java or something that is not available, it's not recognized as a command. In that case, we've got to configure our path. How we configure our path is by editing the environment variables. So in Windows 8, you can just type Windows X and click on System. In Windows 7, we're going to click on the Start menu, right-click on Computer, click on Properties. Now in our Properties, on the left-hand side, you'll see Advanced System Settings. Click on that. You'll get another dialog. I know there's quite a few dialogues coming up here, but we're almost there. On the bottom here, you'll see Environment Variables. Click on that. Here we can set our path or update it. So we have user variables for just me, and we have our system variables. We can actually adjust our path on either one of these, but let's do it for the whole system, because this is very useful no matter who's logged in. So you might have to scroll down and find your path. Here's the variable path. Click on it, then click Edit. Here we go. Now you can see my path. I do have my program files Java and actually a JDK. For you, you'll want to go into your Java folder that we had previously loaded to see if we had Java installed. Click on the latest JRE, in our case JRE 7, then click on Bin. Now you see on the top here we have a whole path. We're just going to click anywhere in the white space so that we can copy it. Now it's all highlighted. You can type Control-C or right-click and click Copy. Go back here to the Edit System Variable dialog. And we're going to add it to the end. And we have to type semicolon first. Semicolon separates all the paths here. Now you can just paste it with Control-V or right-click, paste. There we go. Now I'm going to click OK. OK. OK again. Again, sorry for all the dialog boxes, but this is a simple way to edit the path. Click OK. And you can just close this one. Now if we try to run Java version again here, now it's already installed in my system, but if you tried to run it, it's not going to work. What we have to do is we have to close this window, open it up again, and now try it. And you should see something similar to what I see.